humans could soon have a new place to call home. NASA discovering a new planet that could support life. And this is it, an Earth-sized world within the habitable zone of its star with the catchy name TOI 700e. Astrophysicist Sarah Webb joins us live now from Melbourne. Sarah, good morning to you. This is so exciting. You can probably tell by my voice that I'm quite excited. What does this mean within the habitable zone? Is this real?
Good morning, and it absolutely is real, and it's actually a very big deal. So we find exoplanets all the time. We've got thousands of them now, but finding ones that are in a habitable zone, so it means that liquid water could exist, just like here on Earth, and finding one that is about the same size as Earth is pretty rare. We tend to find things that are much, much bigger. So this is pretty exciting, and it gets better because this is the second planet in this one star system we've found that sits in a habitable zone and is roughly the same size as Earth-ish.
Wow.
Within a couple of figures.
And how far away is it?
It is definitely not close. We won't be able to get there anytime soon in our lifetime, but it is close enough that we'll be able to use some of the biggest telescopes to try study it a little further. So hopefully this system will be observed by the James Webb Space Telescope, and using that we'll be able to get a little bit more information about if these planets have atmospheres and potentially do they have water.
Cool. So how do we find this place, this new planet?
It's a great question. So planet hunting can be a little bit difficult. What we have to do is look at stars for a long period of time and measure how much light is coming off them. And when a planet passes in front of them, the light will block out just a little bit. And we can measure those dips and do some pretty quick calculations to figure out, is it a planet or was it something else? And if it's a planet, we then keep an eye out and we look for it orbiting around again and again until we can confirm that it's actually there, it's real, and get some hard constraints.
This is fascinating. Is it possible, Sarah, that there could be life on this planet?
Nothing's impossible, especially when it comes to the universe. And we know that life, we only have Earth to look at, but life likes to form where there's water. And we know that liquid water has to form at a certain radius to each star. So it's definitely not impossible, but we can't say for sure. But it's great to think about. What a lovely little world.
Yeah, so forget Mars. This is it, right? This is the new place. Let's go here. Let's go to TOI 700.
That's right. I wonder, start booking your tickets. We might get there in a few million years, maybe.
Oh, wow. We've got to work on a new name, though, don't we? TOI 700 doesn't really roll off the tongue, Sarah.
No, it doesn't. Unfortunately, we have so many of these crazy little worlds that if we gave them names, I would love to give them all great, Greek or Roman god names. But unfortunately, we would run out very quickly. So we can make up a name if you would like.
Earth Junior?
Something I like it. Junior.
We'll work on some. This is so. We will. Hey, Sarah, this is so exciting. I love these stories, and just to think that life could exist out there on TOI 700. Thanks so much for being with us.